Welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing about horizontal navbar with over effect. Previously we discussed about um, introduction to horizontal navbar. So today we'll be going further on how to make our navbar to be more beautiful. So now, without saying much, so let's start. So previously we discussed on how to make a simple horizontal navbar. So this is it. So I'm going to continue from where I stopped in our last tutorial. So now I've already made this, so you can check my previous tutorial to see how we made this. So now I'll go to my CSS file in order to customize our code. So let's go to our UL. So let me add overflow. Our overflow will be hidden. Yeah, like one overflow. So I'm going to give it a background color. Our background color, let me make it, let me say red. You can see our background color is now red. So our inline display, so let me make it float. Let me change this float. Let's make it float to the left. See, I see. So now, each of the list in the anchor tag, we're now going to recustomize them again. So I'm going to make the display to be block. Okay, now I'm going to make the text align to be center. So now I'm going to say padding. Let's make our padding to be 14 and 16 pixels respectively. So as you can see, we're having it. It's not coming up. So I'm going to text decoration is already none. So let me change the color so that it will be more visible. Let me say white. I think see, now it is now more visible because white and red color are very, very okay. Now as you can see, this is our link, these are menu bar. So now let's add over effects to it. Let me say a over effects. Let's see this. So let me say over effect, just only the background color. What color are we going? Let me just say green. Let's see how effective it will be. Now you see. Now as you can see, it has been added. So you see it is now working very perfectly. Now working well. So let me try and create something. Let me see how responsive it is. Now you see it is much more responsive. It is now much responsive. So now I can even make a font size to change as we over on it. So let me say font size, let me make it let me say 20 pixels. So let's see. Now you see there is also an increment in our font size. Now you see, as you can see. So now this is how you can make horizontal navbar with over effect in CSS. So you can make this more fancy and more beautiful in your own way. So thank you for watching my tutorial. In our next tutorial, we're going to discuss more on our navbar.